Hello students, this video on congruency of triangles in ninth standard Cbse 7th chapter brought to you by My Simple Math. Here topic to be covered: introduction, congruency of triangles, criteria for congruency of triangles and properties of triangles. As all we know here, triangles, triangles, that means triangles means with three angles measurement. With three angles polygon. Polygon means made up of line segment with a closed figure. So here this is triangle. We know we have different kinds of triangles. One is equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. Other is isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Then scalene triangle, that is three sides are unequal in length. Then a right angle triangle is there, that is one angle is 90 degree. So here mainly we are focusing in ninth standard triangles congruency. Congruency means all of you know the object perfectly overlap one over the other. The object perfectly overlap one over the other. For example, different rotations of your hand as congruent. Different rotations of your hand as congruent because shape and size is not changing and mirror reflections are also congruent. Let us see some examples of congruence, day-to-day life examples. If we take the 5 spades from each of two identical decks of cards, they look exactly same. We can move one card and place it on top of the other one so that the picture on the two cards coincide exactly here as shown in this figure. And also the here second figure, this is also exactly same. Then here three examples shows, one is rotated and moved, other is reflected and moved, then reflected, rotated and moved. Here with the same size, with the same shape. See some more day-to-day life examples. Your sandwich are congruent. This flooring, you can see this flooring. This is congruent. Here is the small picture shows congruent. Here pictures are shows. You see this in picture. This is our congruent. Here these two pictures are congruent. Then here sandwich and here sandwiches are congruent. Here the triangles, you can see the same shape of triangles that's also are congruent. So now all of you understand what is congruent. Congruent means the object perfectly overlap. The object perfectly overlap. You see your rotation of your hands as different rotation of your hands as congruent because shape and sizes are not changing and mirror reflections are also congruent. So I think all of you understand what is congruent figures. In this chapter we are focusing mainly congruency of triangles. We have some criterias for congruency of triangle. We have 5 criterias. Let us learn that criterias. So we can learn some criterias of congruency. Here SSS criteria, SAS, ASA, AAS and RHS. We have 5 criterias. You all of you know congruence means congruent object is which is perfectly overlap. So if here you can see two triangles, one is ABC and the other is PQR. A polygon made up of three line segment, you already know it, with three angles, that is triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their sides have the same length and angles have the same measure. Thus two triangle be congruent. So here this is ABC congruent PQR. So here AB is equal to PQ. First initial position side AB is equal to PQ. BC, second and last, is equal to QR. And first and last, AC is equal to PR. Okay, and so first vertex A and first vertex of triangle PQRP. So A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, and C is equal to R. So let us start the congruency, and before that CPCT. CPCT means from the criteria we'll get only with the three sides, or two angle and one side, or anyway, you'll get three parts of the triangle, but we know other three are there. That's also corresponding angles of a congruent triangles are equal. That is what is CPCD, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So CPCT, we can see the next SSS criteria, how we will get CPCT and how we will get the sides. Here, if all three sides of a triangle are equivalent to the corresponding three sides of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruency by SSS rule. So here they have given a triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by SSS criteria. I told you just before what is here, initial side AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, first and last AC equal to PR. Then CPCT, this is SSS. We know only side only. So how the remaining angles, how we can identify the corresponding angles, that is, BC is equal to QR. So BC is opposite angle. Angle A is equal to QR opposite angle P. So that means angles equal, corresponding sides opposite angles are equal, or equal sides opposite angles are corresponding. Then here PQ equal to AB. The three line notation you can see. So AB's opposite angle is C, PQ's opposite angle is R. So you got here what is C is equal to R. Here AB's opposite is C and PQ's opposite is R. Then one line notation AC and PR. AC's opposite angle is B and PR opposite angle is Q. So this is all you got CPCT from SSS rule. Then next we can have SAS rule. SAS rule, you know the order. This is two line notation, AC equal to PR, AB is equal to PQ, and angle A, that means included angle. Two sides included angles must be equal, then only we will get SAS. Then here we know it is congruent. CPCT, we have one side and two angle. So only one side is remains. So anyhow it will be equal. BC equal to QR. Then C is equal to R. Why C is equal to R? CPCT, because AB equal to PQ. So AB's opposite angle C and PQ's opposite angle R. So C is equal to R. Same way AC is equal to PR. So AC's opposite angle B and PR's opposite angle Q. That is CPCT from SAS rule. Then ASA rule, that is just here side is included. Here also we will get ABCD congruent. CPCT, you can see two sides are there. Two sides are there. Angle Q is equal to B. So B's opposite AC and Q's opposite PR. AC and PR will be one of the corresponding side. Then C is equal to R. Angle C and angle R equal. So C's opposite side AP is equal to R's opposite side PQ. Then at last one angle only remains. So no, without any confusion you can write directly A is equal to B. Next is AAS rule. AAS rule, here you can see two angle. and any one of the side. Okay, B is equal to E and C is equal to F, and here AB equal to DE. So this is congruent. CPCT you will get AC equal to DF because B's and E's opposite side, angle A is equal to D and BC equal to EF. Then last criteria, RHS criteria. That is, if right angle and hypotenuse is given, then we will have a chance to get RHS. One more side is there, we are sure it is RHS criteria. Then here this is S is equal to Y, hypotenuse XZ is equal to TR, and side YZ is equal to ST. So this is then CPCT Z is equal to T. You can see Z is equal to T means Z here how will be Z is equal to T, that is corresponding angle. X is equal to R. X is equal to R because we know the ST's opposite angle is R, then YZ opposite angle is X. So we will get X is equal to R. X is equal to R. Then only one angle is remains. So Z is equal to T. Then by CPCT again one side is remain XYZ. XY is equal to SR. Then we can see how we can name the triangle, congruence triangle, how we can name it. You know, we have already learned just above, but I just show you two examples. MNO, if triangle MNO congruent PQR, first initial side MN is equal to PQ, NO, second and last NO is equal to QR, MO is equal to PR, then first vertex angle M is equal to P, angle N is equal to Q, and angle O is equal to R. Then here DEF congruent GMN. That same like last, DE is equal to GM, EF MN, DF GN, then D is equal to G, E is equal to M because second position, third position F is equal to N. This is the rule of naming. When you are naming congruency, you have to be careful because here if second naming, if it is wrong, you know, you won't get the corresponding sides in the same position. So this is the introduction part of criteria, how to name the triangle, what is CPCT, what is criteria, 5 criteria we learn. So I'll upload next exercise problem in next video. So everyone go through this and learn what is congruence, and what are the criteria of congruency. Thank you for watching.